guys, it's DivaStar213 and I'm back again with another video for you guys. This time I'm doing the wet look. As you can see, it turned out okay. I did two products, a gel and a cream, which I will share further in the video. This combination was perfect for my textured hair. I have 4A, 4B, and 4C combination in my head, so it was a little bit of a challenge, but I figured out how to achieve this look here. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I did a deep condition and a hot oil treatment, so I've completed all of that. Now we can get into styling, and I want to show you guys this really nice product combination that I think is very good for girls with 4A, 4B, and even some with 4C texture hair. I have a combination of all three in my hair, so let's get into this process. I am going to apply my leave-in conditioner. This is my hair without any product in it. I did have my hair straight prior to doing the style, so my curls are a little stretched in some areas, but we're still going to get into this. This is the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to use. This is Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. This has soybean and aloe in it. The best darn leave-in conditioner, period. So we're going to see how this works. I like the texture of it when I was in the store. It's pretty thick, so I like it. It's kind of hard to get at the bottom. And I'm going to try not to ramble so much in this video and just get into the styling, because I know that's what you guys came for.
Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original, bad.
Now we're just going to get into styling. I'm going to split the hair to 4 sections.
It's V-Kills.
So my hair is not soaking wet, but I have my spray bottle here to re-wet as we go. So I just go in sections. And I need one more clip. I want to pause and tell you about my 2 products that I found at Marshall's that work so well together to pull off a wash and go. And let me tell you, my wash and goes were never really that defined, but when I got these 2 products and I put them together, oh my goodness, the combination is like, wow. This is the Ren Pure Coconut Cream Curling Jelly Styling Gel. I found this at Marshall's. And when I found it, it's supposed to be a pump, but it didn't have a pump on there, but I was willing to try it anyways and just screw the top off and use it like how I'm going to do today. But this is bomb. Like this, you know, a little goes a long way. And I mean, I'm heavy-handed with my products, but this right here I don't have to be, because it just glides through your hair so easily, and your curls just pop from it. So we're going to use this product. And then we're also going to use this product. You can still see the Marshall's tag on it here too. I got this on clearance, so I'm going to have to find this on Amazon because that was the only one there. But this is by OK, the OK brand. I think we've probably seen this at beauty supply stores, but I saw this in Marshall's. This is the Black Jamaican Castor Oil Moisture and Curling Hair Sorbet. So I feel like my girls with really thick hair like this, we can't always just use a jelly. We need some kind of cream or moisturizer underneath our hair, because the gel just dries it out and makes it super crunchy. Sometimes it's not even shiny, and I feel like that the cream helps with all of those. So this styling gel enhancer, oh, that's Spanish, that's what it is. A styling and curl enhancer. So we're going to mix these 2 together. Like, this combination is amazing. It's so dry. So I'm going to spray it with some water. You want your hair to be like really wet, saturated with water, even down to the roots, because you know we need our roots to lay in this hairstyle. The wet look you need, especially us with the thick hair, we need to be able to lay these roots. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the OK Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Sorbet, and I'm gonna apply that, and I'm just raking it through with my fingers right now. And I'm going to take my gel, and you only need like a little bit. And you want to get it on the root as well as all the way down to the end. And finger rake. You can already see how the hair is just falling in its individual, I guess it's getting ready to make its own curl. And if you like, you can take your brush, Denman brush or any brush, and comb the product through. That also helps bring the curls out. I also have my other Denman brush. Make sure it gets in those roots. And the curls will just make themselves. So we're going to do that all over your head.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee way. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know send. Make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw well okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me won't go me.
The whole process or point of the wet look is to get it to slick down. So that's why you want to take your Denman brush or a brush and kind of comb through the roots, but not all the way to the end of the hair, just the roots. So you can get that product like in the roots.
City for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me on me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chillin' on me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake pussy. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay.
One side is done. Now we are going to move on to the other side. Doing the same exact thing.
Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw well okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me they want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Now we have so much product in our hair because that's how the only way you're going to be able to achieve this style. You're going to brush it and style it in the way you want it to look. So I'm using this to help slick my hair down more. One more step. It's a mousse. This is the olive oil hold shine wrap set mousse. Tames frizz, adds body, and it's fast drying. So this is what we'll use today.
Kills.
Original.
Thinking I should add some bobby pins just on the side right here to be safe. But I think so far so good. It's looking okay.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga.
So I have a black scarf that I want to try to put on and tie underneath the curls. So hopefully.
Steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby.
I'm gonna let this sit for a couple hours just so that it dries some. Not 100% dry, but it's gonna dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna take it off and let it finish drying completely because my hair will take forever to dry. So if you know how long it takes for your hair to get dry after you put product in it, I advise you to not have anything to do until you can complete this style. But I'll be back to show you what the finished look looks like.
Move that, way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you dey mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.